Do you know the Japanese company called Fuji Electric? We are now working hard to contribute to the development of agriculture in India. Groundwater is pumped up and utilized for farmland. This is a scene from a rural village in India. Increasingly, these pumps are being powered by solar power generation, making it possible to pump up groundwater even in areas without a power grid. The pump motor is controlled by a solar pump inverter manufactured by Fuji Electric. These inverters for solar pumps are now in wide use throughout India. Fuji Electric is a global company which will celebrate its 100th anniversary in 2023. Fuji Electric's strength lies in its ability to develop and manufacture power semiconductors, which are key devices for energy conservation, and to provide power electronics devices, incorporating these devices, systems combining these devices, and engineering services as total solutions. We have supported industrial and social infrastructures around the world with our energy and environmental businesses. And now, we are contributing to India's development by expanding our business and bases in India. The Indian government has set a goal of building water supply infrastructure in rural areas by 2024. And pumps powered by solar power with low environmental impact are attracting attention. However, the problem with solar power generation is that the amount of electricity generated fluctuates depending on weather conditions and temperature. Fuji Electric is able to find the maximum output point of solar cells and maximize power generation by using its power electronics technology to convert and control power. The inverter is implemented with MPPT control to extract maximum power according to environmental conditions such as weather, time of day, season, and region. Photovoltaic panels generate power efficiently when there is a constant combination of current and voltage. Therefore, when it is cloudy, the amount of solar radiation decreases and the voltage drops. The fluctuation between voltage and current increases, and the amount of power generated is not stable. MPPT control works at such times. As solar radiation decreases and voltage drops, current is also reduced to automatically find the combination of voltage and current with the highest power generation efficiency so that more stable power can be supplied. When MPPT control is present, some estimates indicate that the amount of power that can be taken out can be improved by up to 40%. Engineers will adjust the equipment on site to optimize the system. The result is more groundwater and more stable groundwater pumping.
Earlier, farmers were using two traditional ways, like a diesel pump system and electrical pump system. For that, they were facing the problems like they have to wait for electricity for several hours. They have to travel to 5 to 10 kilometers to take diesel. After installation, we feel very happy, we feel very satisfied, and because the product is of low maintenance, reliable, high sustainability, eco-friendly, which made their life very easy. We are helping farmers to have their self-reliable water pumping system.
Fuji Electric has been providing inverters for solar pumps in India since 2016 and has recently expanded its product lineup to meet the growing need for larger capacity pumps for increased water supply and other purposes. In addition, in order to quickly reflect local needs in our products, we are now transferring part of the design work that was previously done in Japan to Fuji Electric India Private Limited in Tamil Nadu, where local staff customize products to meet customer needs.
We strongly believe that the localization is very critical and important to provide prototypes and to meet the customer requirements at an affordable price. Normally in the rural areas, it is very difficult to support the customer on time because of the site location is very far away. They are very difficult to identify the problem on time. So therefore, normally in the rural areas, the customers will expect the more reliable and long-running products, so which Fuji is providing, and the customers are very satisfied in the locations. We are monitoring the customer feedback through our digital platforms, and also if you see, we are measuring the customer performance by our NPS score, Net Promoter Score. We are very happy to note that our Net Promoter scores are very high and we are getting the repeated business from the client, and also the high reliable product is supporting us to get the referral business also.
Fuji Electric's management philosophy is to contribute to affluence, take on the challenge of creation, and harmonize with nature. The solar pump inverter project is an example of this philosophy. Contribute to the development of customers and local communities, and pursue innovation in energy and environmental technologies, and work toward the realization of a sustainable society that is in harmony with nature. Everyone on the team works with this sense of mission.
जो इलेक्ट्रिकल पंप होते हैं वो उनकी सप्लाई नाइट में आती है, और हमारे सोलर पंप की जो सप्लाई है हमें दिन में सुबह 8 बजे से लेकर शाम को 5 बजे तक हमें सप्लाई मिलती है इसकी। उसमें हम रात को सिंचाई के लिए हमें रात को जाना पड़ता है उसको देख रेख करने के लिए, और दिन में हम आराम से देख सकते हैं और आराम से इस सोलर पंप का यूज़ हम ले सकते हैं। उससे हमारी बहुत आय बढ़ी है, पैसे की मतलब हमारी जो बढ़ोतरी हुई है, सबसे मेन इसमें सोलर पंप का योगदान है। जब हमने पंप इंस्टॉल किया था, फ्यूजी का सोलर पंप लगाया था, उस समय हमारे एरिया में खाली ये एक ही पंप था। उसके बाद में हमारे जो समाज के लोग हैं उन्होंने देख करके मतलब इससे सीख ले करके उन्होंने काफ़ी पंप लगाए। जो भी हमने इंस्टॉल किए फ्यूजी के कंट्रोलर वगैरह अपने ड्राइव वगैरह, वो उनमें हमें को सपोर्ट बहुत ही अच्छा मिलता है। हमारे साइट पे इंजीनियर आता है और कोई भी छोटी मोटी दिक्कत रहती है उसके लिए हमें फ़ोन से हम कांटेक्ट कर लेते हैं, और हमारे को जो भी प्रोग्राम वगैरह हैं वो आसानी से उपलब्ध करवाए जाते हैं। हमारे जीवन की लाइफलाइन इसने पंप ने चेंज कर दी, सोलर पंप ने, और हमारे लिए पानी की आपूर्ति के लिए, हमारे लिए जीवन के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है।
Fuji Electric's challenge will continue.